This is Ari Kaplan, and I have the privilege today of speaking with Professor Fred Lederer at the William and Mary School of Law, and we are in the Center for Legal and Court Technology in the what Professor Lederer says is the most advanced courtroom, it seems, in the world. So, Professor Lederer, you were just describing some of the equipment and capabilities. I mean, this is just fascinating. This is the jury area. All of the jurors have their own, what are these, 19-inch screens?
Frankly, I don't remember.
Yeah, so large flat screens. And then the counsel tables, this is defense counsel. And you have your...
You're planning for prosecution, that's the defense.
Here's where you're standing to address the court, jury, and the bench is set up for a 3-judge panel, you were saying, but you can also raise these chairs to allow for up to a 5-judge panel. Is that right? Awesome. That's amazing. And then here's where the court reporter could sort of live stream online the transcript.
We have every method of making a high-tech court record known, whether it is audio, video, digital recording, it's voice writing, or it is stenographic real time. You're looking at a artist sketch. We have actual pictures of the Robert Carey Public Safety Center, which is in addition to the police department, the municipal court of Gulfport, Mississippi, which is a pro bono project of ours. We have helped the city design and recreate its municipal court after it was blown away by Hurricane Katrina.
And so you were telling me about the kinds of matters that this courtroom handles. Can you just describe it a little bit more?
We are the experimental center for courtroom and related technology for the world. We're currently watching a slide of our first high-tech experimental criminal prosecution. This is a 3-continent terrorism prosecution. On the bench, though you can't see him, is a U.S. District Court judge. Part of the prosecution team is appearing live from England in wig and gown. The witness is a government witness testifying live from Australia. The jury, of course, is here. The year following, we did the world's first known experiments with holographic evidence in immersive virtual reality. This is a scientist from the University of California at Santa Barbara, whose team designed a replica of the operating room in question in the case and put it into the computer. You can see it on the far right on our large screen. And that's the Honorable Nancy Glazer, U.S. District Court judge from Boston, sitting as judge. In subsequent experiments, we have done mediations, arbitrations, juvenile custody cases, and most recently, a week and a half ago, a trial designed to test first whether it is possible to flawlessly create fabricated evidence by computer and use it to convict a otherwise innocent defendant, and also determine the impact of expert forensic computer testimony on a cross-sectional jury.
So what's your hope? What will this courtroom and these trials do for the future of technology in jurisprudence?
This courtroom proper is a world testing and proving site. One speaks of being at the cutting edge. We are customarily at the bleeding edge and worse. We try things out here, particularly to determine the interface among law, human beings, and technology, to determine what the likely impact will be and how it might improve or hurt the administration of justice. The Center for Legal and Court Technology itself does a great deal more than that, ranging from empirical scientific experimental work legal research, instruction, training, and consulting. We, for instance, are, as far as we know, the only source of continuing training for court staff in the maintenance of courtrooms like this. And of course, we train judges and lawyers in high-tech trial practice.
Fascinating.
This is the assistive technology case. These are people all with the same identical condition. This is a retired Navy captain who's been paralyzed by the waist. This is a gentleman who was a judge in Denver, may still be. He had acute macular degeneration. We're supplying him with the technology necessary to try a case, including a scanner that reads any legal documents to him, a new invention for the first court explicator, the court explainer, who describes to the judge everything he cannot personally observe, with the counsel getting a similar audio feed so they can do a timely objection, and we captured our FTR digital audio system. This is a witness who could not hear and could not speak with a remote American Sign Language interpretation. You can see he's signing here. And numerous other examples like that.
This is Ari Kaplan. Thanks so much to Professor Fred Lederer at the William and Mary Law School in the Center for Legal and Court Technology